What is the soul? Like we have been asking that for millennia. As long as we have been humans on the planet, we've asked, is there God? Is there a soul? Why are we here? What are we doing? And if you're watching this, you're probably one of those sensitive people. Many of us who are sensitive do have experiences that we cannot explain in any other way. Using dowsing and using protocols that we can interact with this consciousness, these levels of consciousness, and start to figure things out. Most of us, I think, have had the experience when a loved one passes that we sense their presence, perhaps we see them at the end of our bed. So I simply would like to state that I do believe the soul, the consciousness persists after we leave the body. I find that dowsing can really help people understand what's going on in their lives. It can help them solve their problems by allowing them to access the inner wisdom and the inner knowing. So I look forward to teaching dowsing in Japan, and that I also have very much to learn while I am here.